name is Amanda, and today we'll be performing the insertion of the Foley catheter for a female. I have gathered all my supplies. I have my patient here that's covered. I have my washcloths that I'll need, some hand sanitizer, and my clean gloves, and sterile kit for to perform the procedure. And next I will go ahead and perform hand hygiene before I enter the room and speak with my patient. I'll knock on the door, introduce myself, perform patient privacy, go ahead and let them know who I am. Hi, Mrs. Smith, my name is Amanda. I'll be your nurse today, and per your doctor's orders, he has asked us to go ahead and insert a catheter today, and I'll go ahead and walk you through the process. Shouldn't take very long, and I'll go ahead and identify my patient, make sure that I verify their first and last name and date of birth. Mrs. Smith, can you confirm your date of birth for me? Great, thank you. And your first and last name? Awesome, thank you so much. And like I said, we'll make sure that there's no allergies, and explain the procedure to the patient. I went ahead and identified them, and making sure they have no allergies as well. And next I will go ahead and apply my clean gloves here. Okay, so I have my gloves on there. The patient is on my dominant right side, so I can go ahead and assist them that way. And before I touch them, I'll go ahead and ask them if it's okay if I touch them, and let them know that I will be, if it's okay to expose them, to go ahead and start performing all the cleaning and all that. Mrs. Smith, I will go ahead and expose you a bit. Is it okay if I lift your towel, and as well as have your legs spread open a little bit so I can get in there and just start cleaning the area before I insert the catheter? Okay, great. So I will go ahead and expose my patient here. And first I'll start with the first towel to wash them, or first washcloth to clean them. And this one will have soap and water. So, and I'll start with the furthest, labia out, starting from the top down, so furthest away from me, and then turning corner, and then be closest to me, top down, and then the other corner will be down the middle, washing that, top down, and go ahead and put my towels down here in the trash. And then next I will go ahead and get the other towel, it's just water, to go ahead and wipe them off and clean them off with the soap. And same thing, I will go ahead and do the furthest labia away from me, and then switch the corner, and I will do the closest labia crack to me, and then switch the corner and go ahead and do the middle. Go ahead and clean that there. Go ahead and put the towel here. And the third washcloth is dry. I will go ahead and dry them with that, and go ahead and start with that. I'll go ahead and pat them dry here, starting with the furthest labia away from me, turn the corner, and then I'll do the closest one to me, and then the next one I will go ahead and do down the middle. And that's all done there. And then I'll make sure that everything looks good, and the skin integrity is looking good. There's no redness, no skin breakdown, no weird discharge or odor or anything like that, and making sure the patient is comfortable. And I've already identified the urinary meatus here, and I'll get rid of my soil gloves now. They were all done. And I'll go ahead and perform hand hygiene again. And then next I will go ahead and set up the Foley catheter kit, let her know, I'm all done cleaning her, and next I'll go ahead and start with the catheter part. So here's hands. Go ahead and get it out. Turn this way. Open it up, side by side. This furthest to me. And then I'll go ahead and get the gloves out here. Go ahead and move this way. Gloves out here. I'm just going to put it actually on this side. You can see me here, so I have room. Go ahead and touch the cuff here. Put the sterile gloves on here. Almost missed my thumb. Okay. These gloves are a lot smaller than my other gloves, so bear with me here. Just trying to do it little by little. Okay, great. Now those are on, and I will go ahead and take 3 or 4 fingers here. Go ahead and put gloves on this way. On here. So next I will go ahead and start with the blue drape here, the shiny side down. Okay. And I'll ask the patient to lift their hips here and put this underneath them. I will not touch the patient. Make sure this is all straight. Shiny side down, just so they have, so they can stay dry and not get wet, and if the stuff does get wet. Next, I will go ahead and do the white drape here and place it over them. Let's see. Okay. Great. And then I'll go ahead and set up the kit here. Here are my swabs. I haven't opened them yet, so I'm going to open them here with you. Just go ahead and lift this here as well, and I'll put my swabs right here so they're available. Yeah. Just gonna rip this off to make my life easier. I'll put everything in the trash here. Swabs readily available, and then I'll go ahead and clean the patient with the swabs as well, get that ready, and here's my lube as well. I think we'll do that afterwards, but right now I'll just take the swabs, clean them up, and get those ready, and I'll place my lube right here as well and throw that away, and then we get the swabs, get those ready here. Here's the first swab, and similar to cleaning it with the washcloths, I will go ahead and go ahead and clean this here. Start with the furthest away, so swab down, go ahead and throw that away. Same thing, take my second swab, go ahead and do closest to me down, throw that away, and last swab, I'll go ahead and do it down the middle, bring that there, okay, throw all those away. And then now that that's all done, I'll ask the patient to hold very still, and I'll open the labia with my hand, and since they're already clean, I'll explain to them, you know, they'll feel a little bit of discomfort with the Foley catheter, and we'll go ahead and get that going. So now I'll go ahead and take this sleeve off here. And perfect. And then place it in the lube where I put the lube. And I'll go ahead and take the cap off here. Throw that away. And go ahead and get this ready. Get it all attached. Warn my patient, let them know that I am inserting it about 3 to 4 inches, and like I said, they'll feel some discomfort, and you know, we'll go ahead and go from there. So hi, Mrs. Smith, I'm going to insert the catheter now. You feel a little bit of comfortness, but it should go away. You'll feel some pressure as well. Please let me know if you have any questions. Okay, they responded with no. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to use my hand to open the meatus here. Go ahead and insert it about 3 to 4 inches. Okay, great. So now that's in, and I'll go ahead and push this. I'm not going to push it because I want to save it just in case I have to do remediation. So I'm pushing it, blowing it, and go ahead and check for urine to come out, and that's how you know that you have your Foley catheter in correctly. And I'll go ahead and make sure that this bag here is attached to the mattress, and make sure that, you know, we can measure the urine and it's not cloudy and everything looks great. And then now we can go ahead and clean everything up. So next time, this is the mattress, and I'm hooking it to the mattress because you want it below the patient. And I will go ahead and start cleaning up. And while I'm cleaning up, I can ask the patient if they have any questions. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning up here. We'll take all this, get going with this now. This off here, this off here. Up now. Throw everything away. This is my trash can, and make sure my patient is comfortable and safe. Thank my patient. Here's a call light. I'll discard my gloves in the trash. I'll make sure my patient is covered. Like I said, ask them if they have any questions. Perform hand hygiene, and go ahead and document my procedure. Thank you.